recording. So it is coming under pre-fertilization event. Sperm is the male gamete of human. Let us have a look into the spermatogenesis process. So basically we need to understand the name of phase, that what phase it is called. We need to understand how many chromosomes are there in that phase. We need to know the type of germ cell. And last but not least, what is the type of cell division that is taking place? Okay, so if we can have a look into it, we can say that first phase of spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis is nothing but the production of sperm. The whole procedure for the production of sperm together is called spermatogenesis. Okay. Now, in this case, first phase is known as multiplication phase. During multiplication phase, there is no reduction division takes place. Basically, the cells or the spermatogonium, which is the initial stage responsible for which will go undergo spermatogenesis, is going for multiplication. So main aim of this phase is to have more number of spermatogonium. So from less number, we want to have more number, then so that from each of these spermatogonium there can be production of new sperms. Okay, so type of cell which participate in this type of process is called spermatogonium. Okay, as it is a diploid cell, it will have 46 number of chromosomes. Clear? So spermatogonia is diploid. Now this spermatogonia will undergo a process so that equational division is taking place. So as chromosome number is not changing, the cell division that is operational here is mitosis. Okay. So via mitosis, there will be production of many additional spermatogonium. So two things will be produced here. One is additional spermatogonium. Okay, now all of them are capable to go for this procedure, but I am not going to mention about all of them. I am taking example of one spermatogonium and will show you how it's moving ahead. So basically this spermatogonium, which is having centrally prominent nucleus, are producing many spermatogonium of such kind. Now via mitosis, after this mitosis cell division, the next cell that is produced is called primary spermatocyte. It has quite similar structure to the spermatogonium. It has basically 46 number chromosome only. This is a result of this mitosis cell division. It's known as primary spermatocyte. site. Each of these spermatogonium produced can further divide mitotically to produce spermatocyte, because here also chromosome number is 2n. That means no reduction of division, or no reduction of chromosome number is operational here. Let me write it just by its side so that it is easy for you to understand. Done. Now these primary spermatocyte cells will undergo this time a reduction division, but it occur in two parts. The division that is operational over here is meiosis, but total meiosis doesn't occur at one go. It will be meiosis 1. Okay. Now these primary spermatocyte, when it undergoes meiosis 1, it will produce secondary spermatocytes. So these secondary spermatocytes are actually N, because after meiosis 1, the chromosome number is reduced into half. So their chromosome number instead of 46 is 23. But still they are not in the format of sperm. We are familiar with the structure of sperm. Still they are not in the form of sperm. So now the cell division, that is meiosis, also is not completed. So here comes the second cell division, that is meiosis 2. So meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 is considered as the meiosis. Understood everyone? Meiosis 1, then meiosis 2. Okay, combinedly meiosis. I hope all of you are aware of the fact that meiosis में 2 हिस्से होते हैं. Yes, no? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So meiosis 1, meiosis 2 मिलके meiosis होगा. Now this will finally produce spermatids. The cells produced such are known as spermatid. We know that in meiosis from 1 to n cell we get 4n cells. So similar here, all these spermatids will be n only. So I am writing their chromosome number here. In case of human will be 23. Now let us know the phases. The formation of primary spermatocyte to secondary spermatocyte. This phase, actually this phase is known as multiplication phase. This phase is known as growth phase. The second phase is known as growth phase. Why? Because there is reduction, division and growth in the direction of production of sperm. The third phase, where actually like this is produced, is called maturation phase. Why? Because finally from 1 to n cell you are going to have 4 n cells. And the last and the most important step is known as spermiogenesis. Now these structures which were no longer like, not at all look like sperm, are going to, there is no further division takes place in them. Only thing is they will be converted into shape of a sperm. That is what the change they will fast. So that's why the last step is known as spermiogenesis. Here, obviously, as no division is taking place, no change in chromosome number will be there. Now these are ready. We call them sperm, or there is another name of this. This is called as spermatozoa. This is known as spermatozoa or sperm. Their chromosome number is N. So spermatogenesis is the whole procedure and spermiogenesis is the last step. And when these sperms are released from testes, we call that process as spermiation. Is it clear to all? Now you can ask me pinpoint doubt, like at which part you have doubt. Class, are you there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes when you don't respond, I get confused that am I audible or not? Speak, Yesha. Which part you had a doubt?
No, actually, I was confused in spermatozoa primary. I mean, what come after what? Like, I just forget it, the sequence, and that was the reason.
It is SPSSS. Yeah, you can write it as SPSQ. Why? Spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, and this S3 are secondary spermatocyte, spermatid and sperm. So it is understood or remembered as SPS3. These are the stages.
Okay, ma'am.
Main thing is you need to know, like even during entrance examination, they ask you twisted questions like, if you have one primary spermatocytes, how many of sperms you can get from it? So you need to know from one cell how many of them are produced. Second thing, you need to know where which cell division is taking place and what is the chromosome number. You should never ever confused with the chromosome number. That here spermatogonia 46, primary spermatocyte 46, and these three will be this SPS3 jo hai, all of them will be 20. Understood? And the next part of it is known as this one, what I can say, hormonal control of it. Today it's very good that Yesha asked out. I was also thinking that instead of moving ahead with the new chapter, it's better from different portions, you ask me the doubts, because tomorrow we will not have classes and day after tomorrow you will have a lecture, this test, that's why. So all of you, you can feel free to ask me any doubts regarding chapter 1 and 2. Any part. Even chapter 4, 1 and 3, and chapter 4 also, if you have a doubt, you can speak. Vish, this is golden opportunity for you to cover up, huh, beta? You are not there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So any part where you feel that the understanding is not clear, there you can ask me. Should I clear this? Anyone have any doubt regarding spermatogenesis? Anyone? Chalo, let me
No,
keep
ma'am.
it here. So oogenesis, no one is having doubt. Oogenesis is more complicated. I wonder why. Yes, Polo.
Ma'am, I am having doubt in gametogenesis.
So spermatogenesis and oogenesis is gametogenesis itself. No, beta. That is formation of gamete. Gametes are of two types in sexually reproducing organism. One is male, other is female. So gametogenesis sums it up like that only, no? So male part is discussed. So you have doubt in oogenesis too? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So should I discuss oogenesis also, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I find, if you ask me personally, I find spermatogenesis is easier than oogenesis. No problem. Let us focus once again here. See, in this case, name to phases will be there here also. Okay. Another aspect is chromosome number, that will also be there. One extra point will be added here, that is stages of life cycle. What happens is, in case of male, the production of sperm start at puberty. Okay. And throughout the life, it is generally operational. Maybe at very old age, it stops or it reduces. But it is there. Okay. In case of female, it's not the case. Actual what I can say, production or the initiation of the production of eggs start when it is at the fetus stage inside mother's womb, and after birth only the proceedings start. Okay, so stages of life cycle is something very important that we need to know. So let us understand right here stages. And next is type of germ cell. This will remain constant. And then type of division. So let us start. This process is named as oogenesis. Why? Because it is production of ovum. So previously we observed spermatogenesis. Now oogenesis. Both of them together are called gametogenesis. Let us have a look into the events. First phase of this is known as multiplication phase. Let me write it down as okay. So what occur at this? It start when organism is in fetus stage. So what it start? What is the initial point? See, the spermatogenesis start from the spermatogonium. Okay, it start from germinal epithelium. So in ovary, a part of epithelium is modified to produce germinal epithelium. This epithelium is having special characteristic. It can be modified to form germ cells. So germinal epithelium cells initiates, and these are having chromosome 22N. So chromosome number 46. So what happens in first stage, there will be multiplication of germinal epithelium. But it is simply increase in the number of cells of germinal epithelium. So obviously there will be no reduction division from 1 to 2, and from each of them there will be further divisions to form cells like this. But remember, all these divisions are division called mitosis. So obviously, as they are dividing by mitosis, at the end of division, all of them will have chromosome number 2n only. So it's simply increase in number, nothing else. Simply there will be increase in number. So in all these stages, chromosome number will be constant, that is 46, and here also it will be 46. So all these are comprising the multiplication phase, and it is occurring in the fetus. Now after birth, okay, a person when he is born, so it is, I am writing here birth. I am taking example of one only, but remember all of them proceed with towards the same pathway. मतलब इसमें से जो चार है, चारों के चार same pathway में जाएगा, but चार के लिए same चीज draw करना is illogical. That's why I am pointing out towards one. So each of them will form the first type of cell, that is called primary oocyte. यहाँ आपको नाम में सिमिलरिटी मिल जाएगा. वहां हमने क्या पढ़ा था? प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, हियर प्राइमरी oocyte. Okay, so difference is the primary spermatocyte was 46 chromosome number wala. Here it is primary oocyte is actually 2n, definitely here also. But now the next cell division will take place. Okay. So from primary oocyte, which is having chromosome number 2n, that is 46, there will be production of secondary oocyte. So this secondary oocyte is N. So that means the cell division takes place here is not at all mitosis. This will be meiosis 1. Wait for a moment. It will be meiosis 1. Okay. So obviously, as there is reduction division, there will be reduction in chromosome number also. So here chromosome number will be 23. The chromosome number of primary oocyte will be 23. This secondary oocyte will be remaining like that. Okay, then there will be ovulation. So birth के बाद यहाँ आया, secondary oocyte will be produced during or before ovulation. Okay, now this phase where before ovulation, after birth, formation of primary to secondary oocyte is there. This phase is known as growth phase. Same, वहां पे भी वो ग्रोथ फेज ही था, यहाँ पे भी ये ग्रोथ फेज ही है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. नाउ बिफोर ओव्यूलेशन, सो हमारे पास ओवरीज में बिफोर ओव्यूलेशन यू विल हैव सेकेंडरी oocyte only. Apart from that, during the cell division of primary oocyte, there is another thing that is produced. Let me tell you, but it is insignificant. क्योंकि क्या होता है, Whenever one cell is produced, beta, we need to understand that consider this is primary oocyte, and if this is the secondary oocyte, to have a unequal division. Unequal division मतलब generally जब one cell से दो cells बनते हैं, they have equal size. But here it is not the case. So this secondary oocytes produced from primary oocyte is having bigger size, and a small size cell is produced, that is called first polar body. दोनों की क्रोमोसोम नंबर सेम ही होती है, बट फर्स्ट पोलर बॉडी बहुत ही छोटा होता है, एंड इट इज लाइक it's a kind of what I can say, cell which is getting discarded, वो किसी काम का नहीं, but both of them have same chromosome number. ऐसा नहीं है, always remember बेटा, ये misconception पे नहीं रहना कि first polar body में सब material कम रहेगी. DNA content of first polar body and secondary oocyte is same, but other cytoplasmic content makes more cytoplasmic content makes secondary oocyte bigger in size and polar body very small in size. Okay, अब ये secondary oocyte will go for formation of ovum. So here comes the process of ovulation. ओव्यूलेशन हुआ, सेकेंडरी oocyte जो एक फॉलिकल के अंदर था वो बाहर आया और ओवरी से बाहर आया. ओके, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ सेकेंडरी oocyte से ओवम फॉर्मेशन के टाइम पे देयर विल बी प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अनदर पोलर बॉडी which is also very small, that is called second polar body. This is also useless, this is also n only. So how is this possible? So this second polar body and ovum is produced. Now meiosis 1 तो complete हो गया. Okay, second oocyte बनते हुए भी second meiosis मतलब meiosis 2 जो है it doesn't complete. What happens is when ovum is released, it is arrested in the metaphase of meiosis 1. I hope you know that karyokinesis is having 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So it is arrested in metaphase of meiosis 1. So at this phase ovum is released in the fallopian tubule. Now as soon as the sperm is fertilizing the ovum, next procedure में कुछ भी नहीं होता है, sperm needs to fertilize ovum. Now as soon as there is entry of sperm and it's touching with the ovum, the rest of the process of meiosis 2 completes. That means you can write here, it's a bidirectional process, that is meiosis 2 completes. तो दोनों साथ में होते हैं. The moment sperm is injecting its DNA, ovum अपना meiosis 2 complete करता है, and sperm and ovum की nucleus की fusion भी होती है. So during ovulation, this ovum is having chromosome number of, it's having chromosome number of n, that is 23, and finally it will produce zygote, which will be initially binucleated, then these two nucleus will fuse to form a single nucleus. Zygote will have chromosome number 46. Okay, so this stage, that from before ovulation to zygote formation, this stage is known as maturation So that is all about oogenesis. Now wherever you have doubt, you let me know. ये दोनों मिलके meiosis 2 होगा. Both of them will together form meiosis 2. Ask. कहा कौन सी चीज नहीं पता चल रही है वो मुझसे डायरेक्टली पूछो. Yes, Dish, it was your doubt, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there will be no that reductional division in germinal epithelium.
When primary oocyte is forming secondary oocyte, that time there will be reduction division. In germinal epithelium, there will be no reduction division. Germinal epithelium only proliferates so that it can produce many primary oocytes.
Okay.
Same, it is same. The way spermatogonia proliferate, that's why that phase is known as multiplication phase. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें भी क्या हो रहा था बेटा? स्पर्मेटोगोनिया से आपको बहुत सारे प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स चाहिए, है ना? So that you can have many sperms from each primary spermatocyte. यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही है. From germinal epithelium, you have many primary oocytes, and then primary oocyte is first going to prophase. Prophase is very important here in primary oocyte because prophase is the phase where there will be crossing over. You know the main reason behind variation in sexual reproduction. What happens is, even if a single person is producing 1,000 sperm, all these 1,000 sperms will be different from each other. Why? क्योंकि हर एक में क्रोमोसोमल सीक्वेंसेस एंड कैरेक्टर्स की एक रिशफलिंग होती है. कई बार देखना, आप एक अजीब सी चीज देखोगे कि एक माँ बाप के 2 बच्चे हैं, दादाजी बहुत अच्छे थे, एक उनकी हाइट बहुत ज्यादा थी, पापा की हाइट शॉर्ट थी, अचानक से नाती जो है उसको बड़ा हाइट मिल जाता है. कोई नाना जी का कैरेक्टर जो कहीं नहीं था अचानक आ जाता है, पर नाना का कोई कैरेक्टर जो नाना में भी नहीं था, माँ में भी नहीं था, अचानक ये बच्चे में आ जाता है. हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? बिकॉज ऑल कैरेक्टर कोड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन मदर and all character code that is present in father, all of them are getting disturbed. So यहाँ ये जो primary oocyte से secondary oocyte में meiosis 1 वाला stage है ना, this is very important because major what I can say diversity is created here. उसके बाद तो secondary oocyte will be converted into ovum. इसमें पहले एक सेल से 2 2n सेल बनता है, मतलब 1 2n सेल will be converted into 2n सेल, और उसके बाद ये 2 n सेल वापस से meiosis करता है. You know that the meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis, है ना? आपको ये तो पता है ना? Meiosis can be having 2 stages. So basically secondary oocyte से ovum तक का जो process है ना, that is again another. That's why it is mentioned as process of maturation. क्योंकि अब क्या है, वो ovum बन गया है, now ovulation will be there. So it is very important to understand that how it is occurring. So I forgot, I need to write here zygote. Simple. Once you understand, it is very simple. Once you don't understand, then it's problematic. Only difference is जब normal case में meiosis होता है तब क्या होता है बेटा, फर्स्ट जो M1 है meiosis 1 होती है, उसमें एक सेल से 2 सेल बनता है, और फिर meiosis 2 जब होता है तब ये 2 सेल से 4 सेल बनता है ना? 4 cells will be produced. अब यहाँ गड़बड़ क्या हो रही है, यहाँ जो M1 में सेल बन रहा है उसमें से एक फर्स्ट बन रहा है फर्स्ट पोलर बॉडी, सेकेंड टाइम भी बन रहा है सेकेंड पोलर बॉडी. दे आर नॉट एट ऑल वायबल, वो किसी काम के नहीं. मतलब इन दोनों में से जब सेल्स बन रहे हैं तब ये फर्स्ट वाले को तो तुम उड़ा ही दो, ये किसी काम का नहीं, इसमें से नहीं बनता है। सेकेंड वाले में से भी एक सेल उड़ा दो। सो दैट इज हाउ द प्रोसीजर बिगिंस। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? यस नो?
यस मैम।
दैट्स व्हाई उतनी मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं होता है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेनी मल्टीप्लिकेशंस आर नॉट देयर, क्योंकि पोलर बॉडी किसी काम नहीं आता है, दैट इज डिस्कार्डेड। क्लियर एवरीवन? और कोई जगह है जहां मतलब कोई डाउट है? ध्यान से देखो।
मैम आई एम हैविंग डाउट।
यस बेटा बोलो।
मैम what are the phases in menstrual cycle?
Menstrual cycle, is this part clear? Should I consider anyone of you? See, it will be your first test. Actually it will be our first test. Whenever my students are writing any test, it's not only your test, it's my test also. आपकी टेस्ट इस बात की है कि आप कितना अच्छा समझे हो, कितना अच्छा पढ़े हो। मेरी टेस्ट इस बात की है कि मैंने कितना अच्छा पढ़ाया है। तो आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्कोर वेल। कहीं पे भी कोई डाउट है तो यू फील फ्री टू आस्क मी। ओके चलो, लेट अस गो टू menstrual cycle then. That's the third page we are starting. Basically I am teaching the whole chapter of reproduction. Doesn't matter, I am ready to do it. Only condition I have is you need to score well. Chalo. So here also phase, number of days and events. So menstruation is, or menstrual cycle, which is also called menorrhagia. There is another name of menstrual cycle that is called menorrhagia. When it starts at puberty, the event is called menarche, and when it stops after certain age, that depends on people. Even initiation of menstrual cycle depends on people. Okay, किसी का जल्दी start होता है, किसी का थोड़ा late start होता है. So that part is known as menopause. So phases of menstrual cycle में first phase, that is we are starting with menstrual phase. Doesn't matter actually, in some books it may start with some other phase also, but as the event is cyclic, क्योंकि event cyclic है तो ultimately वो कहीं से भी तुम शुरू करो, it will come back. So we started from first phase, that is menstrual phase. So what actually happens in menstrual phase? In menstrual phase, which continues for 1 to 5 days, basically this phase or this 1 to 5 days time is confirming the unfertilized ovum is discarded. तो इसकी एम यही है कि प्रिवेंशन ऑफ implantation of unfertilized ovum. Okay, so if it is the aim, or like I can say if this is the goal of this process, so what happens actually here is the ovum and endometrium lining these you can observe in one of my lectures. I displayed a very nice video of this also. If you go through it ना, उसमें भी तुमको बहुत अच्छे से this part is explained in that video also, and I explained also. So endometrium layer is disposed. So ovum is actually microscopic, उसका निकल जाना किसको पता भी नहीं चलता होगा. But endometrium layer, when it is bleeding, a lot of cell debris, dead cells, blood and mucus is discharged, and that is known as menstrual flow. So which condition, how our reproductive system of females know कि actually it should be done कि अब menstruation का time आ गया है. At this time the level of progesterone will be low. So reduced progesterone level indicates that now it's turn to break down the endometrium layer and destruction of unfertilized ovum. This phase lasts from 1 to 5 days, but again I mentioned for some people it may be 1 day, 2 days, some people it may be 5 days, 6 days, but this is the basic time. So second phase is known as follicular phase. Why follicular phase? Because at this phase, basically, the follicles will grow. This follicular phase will last from 6 to 13 days. Okay, so what happens? I told you just now during studying the process of oogenesis, we studied that this primary spermatocytes, primary oocyte or secondary oocytes are there. They are actually encased into a fluid-filled pouch. These fluid-filled pouches are known as Graafian follicle. Okay, so Graafian follicle are matured follicle. इसके भी stages है. If you look into the cross section of the ovary, you can see primary oocytes are there in primary follicle. Secondary oocytes in secondary follicle, and like ovum is present in Graafian follicle. So basically, at this stage, what happened? At this stage, two events are taking place. So this phase, what is the aim of this phase? Aim of this phase is make reproductive system ready for implantation and ovulation. Means it is actually making the body of female ready for fertilization. So what must be the events that is taking place at this stage? So the event here, you know that the ovum was destroyed, endometrium layer was disposed. So at this stage, what will happen is endometrium starts rebuilding. And the follicles grows. So then again same question, how reproductive system knows who is giving signal. So at this stage, two hormones will be at high level. One is FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. Obviously, if you want to promote the growth of follicles, it will be done by follicle stimulating hormone. The pituitary is responsible for secretion of follicle stimulating hormone, and obviously another hormone that is released by reproductive system of human only, that is females only, that is estrogen. Its level is also increased. Done. Next phase is ovulatory phase. At this phase, the main is it generally occur on 14th day of first day of initiation of menstrual cycle. अगर किसी का menstrual cycle 1st मार्च को स्टार्ट हुआ है तो मतलब 14 मार्च को उसकी ओव्यूलेशन की डेट है. ओके जनरली, बट लेट मी टेल यू वेरी फ्रैंकली कि ये as this layer days varies, this days varies, that's why this day can also vary. Okay, so at this phase what happens? What happens at this phase? The aim of this phase is ready for fertilization. Now our reproductive system is ready for fertilization. Okay, what is the event that takes place here? Ovum is released from ovum. And it will be waiting in the fallopian tubule. And this is the phase when there is hormonal firework occurring in the body of a female. Why I am telling hormonal firework? At this level, at this condition, LH level, luteinizing hormone secreted by pituitary itself is more. Level of follicular stimulating hormone is more. Apart from that, concentration of estrogen is also more in the blood. So what not? Only progesterone level is at its limits. Otherwise, every hormone is at its peak. Okay. Last phase. Now, you know that I mentioned that if you have a look into the structure of ovary or cross section of ovary, you will be able to see that various phases of follicular development is observable. Primary, secondary or tertiary follicle, and then there will be Graafian follicle. The moment Graafian follicle is releasing the ovum, the rest of the follicle is turned into a yellow color patch. This is known as corpus luteum. So basically, this phase is known as luteal phase. Why luteal phase or secretory phase? Because now at this phase, luteum word is coming because lutea in Latin means yellow, and the for this Graafian follicle, when it release the egg, the structure it is producing is having yellow color. That's why it's known as a luteal phase. So it will last from 15 to 28 days. At this phase, mainly the ovum is active. Now it is ready. It will stay there in fallopian tubule of the female reproductive system. If this is the best phase after ovulation when fertilization can be done, because at the initiation of menstrual phase, ovum is destroyed, so no fertilization is possible. So what is the aim of this phase? Aim of this phase is making uterus and ovum ready for fertilization. So basically, what are the events that takes place here? Here, corpus luteum develop and release progesterone. मतलब देखो अभी इस लेवल में we are basically waiting for the building up of this. इससे पहले कि प्रोजेस्टेरॉन लेवल कम हो, suddenly there is a peak in the progesterone level. So apart from that, endometrium thickens. It is getting ready for fertilization. Okay. Now at this stage, obviously the progesterone level will be very high. If fertilization is not possible, then again there will be this phase. So menstrual, follicular, ovulatory, luteal, and if not fertilization is there, then it will go into menstrual phase. That's why it's known as menstrual cycle. Understood, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so this whole process will be of 28 days.
Yes. After every 28 days, the phases repeats. Unless and until a person is pregnant. If anyone is achieving pregnancy, this process is suspended till the childbirth.
Okay, ma'am.
Why it needs to be suspended? क्यों इसका suspension जरूरी है? कौन बोलेगा मुझे? Why there is requirement of suspension of menstrual cycle if a child is getting reared in the womb of mother? क्यों जरूरी है ये? बोलो बेटा. ये तो बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन का बहुत आसान आंसर होना चाहिए. क्यों आंसर नहीं हो रहा है? बहुत आसान. आई एम हंग्री. बोलो बेटा. सिंपल आंसर. येशा, प्रियांशी, निष्का, जिया, ऑल ऑफ यू. क्या प्रॉब्लम है अगर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल होगा तो?
मैम अगर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल होगा तो फिर चाइल्ड भी ब्लड के साथ बाहर आ जाएगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि चाइल्ड कहाँ अटैच्ड है? यूटेरस पे अटैच्ड है ना, एंडोमेट्रियम लेयर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. तो मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल में सिर्फ ओवम नहीं, एंडोमेट्रियम लेयर भी अफेक्टेड होता है ना. तो कैसे पॉसिबल होगा वो? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना. नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. Yes or no? So that's why the moment lady is pregnant, तुरंत menstrual cycle बंद हो जाता है. To ensure कि कोई miscarriage या कोई भी ऐसी चीज ना हो. Clear everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब नेक्स्ट डाउट पूछो. क्या हो गया? Silence. Suddenly there is silence. Think and ask. No problem. Take your time. Go through the textbook and ask me if you have any doubt.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, so what should we do today so that we can have a nice revision? Have you all of you like observed my lectures, first lecture and the lectures of first and third chapter? Not many things we discussed over there, beta. So any specific thing you want to ask? It's only 6:16. We have half an hour. Want to discuss question answers? Some question answers of these chapters. Should we discuss MTG question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have MCQ examination this time or like board pattern examination this Sunday?
Ma'am, MCQs.
So then let's discuss some MCQ. MTG is a standard book. Give me 1 minute, I will share the screen. I think that will be an excellent idea. You got the modules of this I am education, the study material of these chapters and the question banks. Class, did you got any study material? Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो. No, मतलब silence
मैम
cannot be.
आ गया
हाँ,
पर लेने जाना बाकी है.
हाँ, तो मेरी क्वेश्चन वही है कि किसी ने देखा कि उसमें कोई चीज है ऐसी जो मैंने छोड़ा है, पढ़ाया नहीं है, any point is like left anywhere. Generally, every part is cleared, but like if you want to ask like see के कोई part ऐसी है कि नहीं जिसमें any part is left in that. चलो कोई नहीं, once you get hold of it you can like ask. So we will discuss with the first book, that is NCERT at fingertips. Is the screen visible?
Can we do chapter 3 first?
No problem, we can do chapter 3 first. Your wish is my command. All of you are your majesty.
Ma'am, if everyone agrees, then.
Because see.
Yes, ma'am.
हम सिर्फ सारे स्टूडेंट्स से प्यार से बात करते हैं, अगर रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया फिर हम मैजेस्टी है उस दिन. अभी तो whatever support you have. Actually, I never get angry if any one of my students' result is down. You know when I get angry? When he or she cannot tell me the reason of bad result. Every examination we give, we should take it seriously. Not deadly or shockingly. We should take it seriously. And whenever in life, anything we do, it's not necessary that we be successful, but agar unsuccessful bhi ho rahe, then we should need to know that why we are unsuccessful. That is very important. वो अगर हम कर लेना, तो life की आधे से ज़्यादा problem solve हो जाती है. In every aspect, I believe this. And going there actually it takes time. Human reproduction. So these are the parts. I guess we like cleared everything almost. So first question. Should we take turns also in this case, or anyone who wish can answer?
Ma'am, turn.
No problem. So chalo, first who is going to cut the ribbon? In most mammals, the testes are located in scrotal sac form. चलो मिश्का is raising hand. मिश्का बोलो, फटाफट raise hand किया है उसने. Which option?
B.
B option. चलो. Temperature of scrotum is which is necessary for the functioning of testes is always around. Yesha is raising hand. Option Yesha.
Option A.
Very good. The given figure shows. Let me do one thing. One moment just. Let me reduce it a bit. एक छोटा सा इसको reduce कर देते हैं, and then we will be able to see all the markings. Is it? मतलब you people are able to read it? Read करने लायक तो है ना बेटा? Visible है सबको?
मैम हम हमारे डिवाइस में थोड़ा सा जूम कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ, तो ताकि क्या सारे आंसर्स रह जाए इसमें. That's why I'm thinking from that point of view. So first का आंसर है B, that is chromatogenesis. Second का आंसर बोला है 2. Dish is raising hand for third. Yes, Dish.
Ma'am, third answer would be A is the vasa difference, and B is the seminal vesicle, C is the prostate gland, and D is the bulbourethral.
So which one
For
is
A.
the answer?
A.
A answer. Very good. चलो. Given diagram TS of testis A, B, C, D क्या है बताओ? Answer is here. Mishka.
Ma'am, A. Sertoli cells, B. Spermatogonia, C. Interstitial cells, and D. sperms.
Very good. So which option?
D. D.
D. Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? बोलो. A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Two participants raised hand. एक minute. Wait. Let me see. Shyama, you speak, beta. Yesha answered one question. Shyama?
Ma'am, C.
Sertoli cell seminiferous. Why not others? क्या problem है दूसरों में?
Ma'am, because Graafian follicles are present in ovary.
Very good. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules are two participants already raising hand. One of them is Dish. Yes, Dish, follow.
Sertoli cells.
Sertoli cells. Very good. Sertoli cells are regulated by pituitary hormone known. Kausha is, I think, raising hand for the first time. Yes, Kausha.
Ma'am, LH.
LH, luteinizing hormone. Very good. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system gets blocked, the gametes will not be transported from where? If you can remember, I draw a flow chart and explain this part. ना कहाँ से कहाँ नहीं जाएगा? vasa efferentia बोला है. Two participants raising hand. Very good. Kausha and Dish. चलो Dish दो आंसर दिए इसलिए Kausha की टर्न है. बोलो Kausha.
Ma'am, testis to epidermis.
Testis to epididymis. Are you? Is it correct? Let me see the options. Epididymis ovary. हाँ, testis to epididymis. क्या order होता है? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? Can anyone tell me the order? Let's revise it once again. Sperms first कहाँ जाता है? From testis it will be collected from where to where? Who is going to tell me the order? हाँ, एक बार रिवाइज करें ना, कहाँ से कहाँ जाता है वो? येशा इज रेजिंग हैंड. ये शेषा बोलो.
मैम मतलब टेस्टिस में सबसे पहले सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल से रेटी
Very
टेस्टिस
good.
में जाएगा. रेटी
हाँ.
टेस्टिस से वासा एफरेंशिया,
Very good.
फिर एपिडिडाइमिस, देन वास डिफरेंस,
फिर
मैम सेमिनल वेसिकल, फिर
नहीं,
मतलब
सेमिनल वेसिकल में वो कभी भी नहीं जाता है येशा.
मैम मतलब वहाँ मतलब रूट में वो आएगा.
हाँ, बट देर इज अ डक्ट कॉल्ड इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट, जिसको तुम भूल रहे हो. Actually,
Okay,
vasa deferens and ejaculatory duct, both of them are called together as ductus deferens. This ductus deferens is actually getting open into a region called ampulla. Ampulla means एक swelling वाला region. वो ampulla के अंदर seminal vesicle रहता है, and thus it is connected through the this. Then this ampulla will continue and it is मतलब उसके रास्ते में prostate gland, Cowper's gland आएगा, and finally कहाँ जाएगा ये? Sperms कहाँ जाएंगे? Finally जिसके थ्रू वो बॉडी के बाहर जाएंगे, it will be where?
मैम पेनिस.
पेनिस नहीं बोलने से चलेगा. There is a pipe.
यूरेथ्रा.
Urethra. So let me once again repeat it so that you people can remember it very clearly. First is seminiferous tubule. I am writing short form here. फिर उसके बाद बीच में एक टिब्यूली रेक्टी होता है. If you can remember, it's all right. If you cannot, forget it. इतनी बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं पूछते जनरली. Then there will be retritestis. Retritestis too, there will be vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia too, there will be epididymis, where it will be stored temporarily. One moment. Epididymis. Then from epididymis it will go to vasa deferens, which in combination with the ejaculatory duct is altogether called ductus deferens. फिर ये कहा जाएगा? It will go to ampulla. Ampulla के साथ ही seminal vesicle रहता है. Then it will pass through Cowper's gland and prostate gland, and finally it will be coming to urethra. So this is the travel pathway of sperm. It is very important for you to remember it. Is it all right?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे रे रे. So let us move ahead towards the next question. Who is answering the 9th number question? Dish is raising hand in advance. Follow Dish.
Ma'am, I think it B, because secretion of fluid that helps in lubrication of penis, because it is a bulbourethral gland.
हमने यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं देखा है दी, यू कैन नॉट आंसर लाइक दैट। इस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में क्या होते हैं, देखो ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी नहीं दिया हुआ है, 4 स्टेटमेंट्स विल बी देयर बेटा, एंड देन यू नीड टू से इन ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी के इनमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है या इनकरेक्ट है, अंडरस्टूड। तो वी कैन नॉट से, देखो फर्स्ट वाला क्या ऑप्शन है, फर्स्ट वाला इज ए कैरीज यूरिन एंड स्पर्म। So do you think A is carrying urine and sperm? I don't think it is correct, है ना?
No ma'am.
क्योंकि A तो is ejaculatory duct, that is ductus deferens and vasa deferens, तो वो तो नहीं possible होगा, है ना? B secretes fluid that helps in lubrication. So this is bulbourethral gland, it can secrete lubrication. D produce testosterone hormone but no sperm. ऐसा तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। थर्ड वाला ऑप्शन भी इनकरेक्ट है। C स्टोर स्पर्म, so that is also correct. So which option will be correct?
C.
C option will be correct where these two are correct. Understood? So do not rush into conclusion. Keep like your mind full and answer. नहीं तो देखो अभी मिस्टेक हो जाता ना। चलो हम नेक्स्ट की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। Let's move ahead towards the next page. Who is answering the next question? Mishka is raising hand. Yes, Mishka. Head of epididymis.
10. We are on 10.
हाँ 10th वाला ही बोल रही हूँ। The head of epididymis at the head of test.
In our book it's different. No.
अच्छा, you are looking into your MPG.
Yes, ma'am.
वो तो एडिशन वाइज थोड़ा अलग होता है बेटा। देखो इसको 3-4 क्वेश्चन आगे पीछे तुमको ये मिल जाएगा।
No, ma'am. नहीं वही है, sorry.
हाँ। The head of epididymis at the head of testis is called
C.
क्या है ये? कॉर्डा कापुट और क्या होता है?
Caput.
हेड क्या होता है? कॉर्डा होता है, कापुट होता है?
Caput.
So it is caput. Okay. The given diagram shows LS of testis showing various parts. Identify the parts labeled A to G from the list given below. अच्छा, what is the time? We should not, मतलब इसके बाद तुम्हारा कोई क्लास वास हो कि मुझे हमेशा यही होता है, होश ही नहीं रहती टाइम की पढ़ा तो। The given diagram shows LS of testis showing various parts. Identify the labeled part. बोलो कौन सा करेक्ट है? I think I should enlarge it a bit, नहीं तो वो दिखेगा नहीं अच्छे से। Difficult for one to focus. Now it will be easy for us to mark. Speak. The 11th number one. कौन बोलेगा? Priyanshi, yes, Priyanshi. Speak, Priyanshi.
मैम भूल से हो गया था।
बट बोलो, अभी ना बोलने का कोई कारण नहीं है। I taught you every part.
मैम थर्ड वाला वास्ट डिफरेंस है तो
वैसे नहीं देखना बेटा। ए वाला पार्ट क्या है, देखो इसमें कौन से ए वाला पार्ट यहाँ पे हाउ टू मतलब सॉर्ट आउट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फास्ट। अगर पूरा पढ़ने जाओगे ना बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होने वाला है। सबसे पहले देखो यहाँ ए में 3 चीजें बताई गई। ए इज नंबर 1 दैट इज कापुट एपिडिडाइमिस। ए इज नंबर 5 दैट इज कॉर्पस एपिडिडाइमिस and A is number 2, that is cauda epididymis. तो पहले ये सोचो कि A epididymis का कौन सा हिस्सा है. Which one do you think is correct? Caput, cauda या corpus? Yes, Kausha.
मैम caput.
It is caput. Head है ना वो उसका. That's why it will be caput. तो अब देखो caput नंबर 1 कौन से दो ऑप्शंस में है? ये दो ऑप्शंस में नहीं है, तो इन दोनों को क्रॉस ही मार दो. क्यों देखना आगे, जिस रास्ते जाना नहीं है. अब इन दोनों में से B पकड़ो. ठीक है, B पकड़ोगे तो देखना कि B क्या है. B में ऑप्शन क्या दिया है? 4 and 6. So 4 is vasa efferentia, 6 is seminiferous tubule. तो B seminiferous tubule तो हो नहीं सकता है. हो सकता है क्या?
नो मैम.
नो मैम.
तो फिर ये ऑप्शन कट कर दो. अब क्या करना है हमें? वी हैव टू सी कि इस ऑप्शन के सारे ऑप्शंस करेक्ट है कि नहीं. आवर आंसर इज देयर. अंडरस्टूड? एग्जाम में दे गिव सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जस्ट टू किल योर टाइम. उनको पता है ये क्वेश्चन बच्चे सही तरीके से कर लेंगे, बट दे वांटेड यू टू डिस्ट्रॉय सम टाइम ओवर हियर, जो करना नहीं है. हर एक का हर एक ऑप्शन पढ़ो. नाउ यू चेक ए का 1, डी का 4, सी का 10, डी का 3, ई का 2, एफ का 6 एंड जी का 8 नंबर जो है. इज इट एप्लीकेबल? इज इट करेक्ट? देखो एक बार अच्छे से. Is it correct, beta? I am talking about option number C. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बस खुशी हो गया अपना. हमें वो हर एक ऑप्शन ऐसे पढ़ के नहीं देखना है. These are the shortcuts. MCQ शॉर्टकट ये होता है. ठीक है, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि भाई मैं कैसे मैम ए से चेक करूं. ए तो मैं खुद श्योर ही नहीं हूं. डोंट चेक विथ ए, स्टार्ट विथ द वन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट विथ. और देखो जैसे कि आप सी से चेक कर रहे हो, समझो, कंसीडर यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सी. सी से अगर आप चेक कर रहे हो, सी का 3 क्या है? वास डिफरेंस. 4 क्या है? वासा इफ्रेंसिया. तो ऑब्वियसली वास डिफरेंस तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. फिर वैसे करो, वास डिफरेंस नहीं हो सकता, इसको करो. वासा इफ्रेंसिया नहीं हो सकता होगा तो इसको करो. देन यू चेक दिस वे कि 10th वाला क्या है ऑप्शन. चलो रेटेड टेस्टिस, यहाँ ये पॉसिबल है. देन यू चेक कोई भी एक ऑप्शन जिसमें आप सबसे कॉन्फिडेंट हो. बेटा ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के केस में यू स्टार्ट विथ. क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We will move ahead now. Let's move to the next question. Given below are the 3 statements, each of with 2 blanks. Select the option which correctly fills the blanks. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by 2 types of cell, 1 and 2. Second is the seminiferous tubule open into dash through dash. तो इसके केस में भी आइदर ए या बी में से एक लेके स्टार्ट करना है. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद आइदर ए और बी. अब आप पे डिपेंडेंट है. चलो मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बी ऑप्शन से कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, तो ये जो ए और बी, अच्छा सी स्टेटमेंट भी है. द एनलार्ज्ड एंड ऑफ पेनिस इज कॉल्ड डैश is covered by a loose fold. तो मैं तो सी में ये बिल्कुल मतलब कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ. तो सी ऑप्शन कहाँ है देखते हैं. लेट अस सी वेयर सी ऑप्शन इज देयर. इस वाले में है सी ऑप्शन और इस वाले में है सी ऑप्शन. अब देखते हैं कि ये वाला तो सही नहीं है, यूरेथ्रल मीटस नहीं है, स्क्रोटम नहीं है, तो ये ऑप्शन को कट ही कर दो. दिस फॉर सी ये वाला तो करेक्ट है. अब बी में जाओ, देखो द seminiferous tubules open into vasa efferentia through rete testis. Do you think this option is correct? Do you think this option is correct? सोच के देखो.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बस खत्म हो गया बात. So option answer will be B. मुझे देखो A और D पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. I can answer. है ना? It saves time. हमारे पास 720 मार्क के क्वेश्चन होंगे नीट में, है ना? तो 90 क्वेश्चंस के लिए कितना टाइम मिलेगा मुझे? 90 प्लस 90 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, 45 45 90. यस और नो? 180 क्वेश्चंस. 180 क्वेश्चंस के लिए हमें टाइम कितना मिलेगा? 180 मिनट्स. इजंट इट? तो एक क्वेश्चन के लिए 1 मिनट. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इट इज अ सिंपल वन. सेमिनल प्लाज्मा इन ह्यूमन इज रिच इन. मिश्का इज रेजिंग हैंड. यस मिश्का.
Ma'am, fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes.
Fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Seminal plasma has enzymes. Which enzyme it has? Can you tell me what it has, which can be told as a similar activity of enzyme? Does seminal plasma have calcium? Are you sure, Mishka? See, here option, correct option will be C, not B. इनमें कैल्शियम होता ही नहीं है. कैल्शियम इज प्रेजेंट इन द सिक्रीशन ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. बेटा सेमिनल प्लाज्मा में कहां से कैल्शियम होगा? इजंट इट? रेफर, चेक करो. मिश्का, एम आई टेलिंग करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
ऑप्शन सी विल बी देयर बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
सेमिनल प्लाज्मा में फ्रुक्टोज होता है, ठीक है, साइट्रिक एसिड होती है, इनोसिटोर होता है, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन होता है. कैल्शियम तो नहीं होता है. कैल्शियम इज देयर इन द सिक्रीशन ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. ओके, चलो बाकी हम ऊपर चलते हैं.
मैम पीछे डी दिया है और ऐसा लिखा है कि मैम seminal plasma is a constituent of seminal vesicle, prostaglandin and bulbourethral gland.
हाँ, then it can be correct. Sorry, मैंने प्लाज्मा वर्ड ध्यान नहीं दिया. Then it is correct. Then it is correct. चलो 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन में जाते हैं. A sex gland which contributes fluid containing sugar fructose that provides spermatozoa energy for swimming and hormones prostaglandin. ये तो इसका आंसर तो बहुत सिंपल है, सेमिनल वेसिकल ही होगा, है ना? आई डोंट थिंक इसमें हम टाइम वेस्ट करें. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं हम. ओके, prostate gland is located below. Who is going to answer this? Location of prostate gland. अच्छा, what is gubernaculum? मिश्का बोलो. प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड इज लोकेटेड बिलो, किसके नीचे रहता है?
Seminal vesicle.
यस, बट व्हाट इज गुबर्निकुलम? I told you it is a folding of skin which is holding testis at its place. देखो the scrotum sac is suspended from the male body, na? So obviously there should be something which is holding it attached with the body whenever there is any movement. That is done by two things. One is inguinal canal through which abdomen में से testis नीचे आता है. Another is gubernaculum. It is a folding of skin. Okay, I know यहाँ वो आंसर नहीं होगा, but I thought I should tell you. The function of secretion of prostate gland is to class. Yesha, yes.
Ma'am, option C.
Prostate gland inhibits sperm, attracts sperm, none of this. Stimulates sperm activity. Yes, it will be stimulating sperm activity. So as it is already 6:45, are you wish to continue? Huh? Do you solve MCG?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, then we will continue. Let's continue a bit, then we will stop. चलो एक काम करें, let us
Ma'am, it is the last question of 3.1, so we can finish this one.
नहीं, but I was thinking कि थोड़े फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के देख लेते ना. अच्छा चलो, जो एकदम ना पता चले वैसे वाले पूछ लेते. बार्थोलिन्स ग्लैंड, व्हाट इज इट? यहाँ देखो एक वर्ड है. व्हाट इज दिस बार्थोलिन्स ग्लैंड? It is present at the either side of vagina and responsible for secretion of mucus. Okay, this mucus is helpful in the lubrication of during the process of intercourse. Okay, so Bartholin's duct and Bartholin glands are there. Clear? ये 25 number बोल रही हूँ. Is the screen visible? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो थोड़े थोड़े एक बार ओवरव्यू देख लेते हैं. जो जो क्वेश्चन तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नहीं थोड़ा देखो ये वाला, मिल्क सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम सेल ऑफ एल्वियोलाई टू मेमोरी लोब रीचेस निबल थ्रू व्हाट? दिस इज आल्सो अ गुड क्वेश्चन. ऑर्डर क्या है? लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट, मेमोरी डक्ट, मेमोरी ट्यूब्यूल एंड मेमोरी एम्प्यूला. इनकी ऑर्डर्स क्या होगा? TMAL और MTAL और MTLA और ATML. 27 number question I am referring. Yes, Yesha.
TMAL.
So you mean to say first there will be mammary tubule? Are you sure? Yes, Yesha. Anyone else wish to try? Mammary tubule, then there is mammary duct, then there will be ampulla. Which order you are talking about, Yesha? Can you repeat your answer?
Ma'am, option A.
अरे बाबा, लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट सबसे एंड में आएगा बच्चा. लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट सबसे एंड में थोड़ी ना आएगा. यस दिश.
मैम आई थिंक सी ऑप्शन. नहीं,
क्या बोल रहा है मुझे? आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स. टेक्स्ट बुक पास होगा तो ऑर्डर देखो एंड टेल मी.
बी ऑप्शन MTL है.
श्योर हो?
हाँ मैम, क्योंकि सब में पीछे लैक्टिफेरस ट्यूबल, तो वो तो नहीं होगा, तो फिर बी होगा.
कैसे लैक्टिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल नहीं होगा? मैं तो कंफ्यूज करूंगी, मैं तो कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ.
मैम ऑप्शन ए ही आएगा.
मैं
Yes,
तो कुछ
ma'am.
भी बोल सकती हूँ. मेरे बोलने से तुम थोड़ी ना मानने वाले हो. These do not get confused. If you are knowing it is correct, that means it is correct. It is A option is correct only बेटा. ठीक है? सामने वाला कुछ भी बोले, if you know it is correct, it is correct. चलो, we will stop our class over here. आज बहुत हम सीरियसली पढ़ चुके हैं. All of you best wishes for your test. ठीक है? सो टेस्ट में हमें क्या करना है, कहाँ कहाँ हमने क्या क्या, अगर कोई गड़बड़ हुई है तो कहाँ हुई है. आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट, सो दैट नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम वो डिस्कस करें. वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड देन लाइक वी कैन what I can say, we can overcome those problems. So next lecture, if I don't have question answer, I will request any one of you to share your screen. So kindly keep the soft copy ready. One of you can share the screen and we can discuss the question answer. I will make that person co-host. There is no problem. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, bye beta. Best wishes for your test. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye.